G'day, I'm Shah and this is Destination Reviews. Here we take a look at everything from van parks and campsites to outdoor activity destinations. This week we're going to do something a little bit different and have a look at a lovely little place down in Brunswick Heads. Let's have a look. Situated an hour and 45 from Brisbane and a stone's throw away from the beautiful Brunswick Heads, this park is nestled on the Brunswick River and has great access to the water and its own boat ramp and camping right on the bank. If you're a fisherman, it's a great place to throw in a line. Also, if you enjoy your water sports, you can drop a kayak in or go for a swim, as there's plenty of stairs and inlets so you can jump in the river and cool down. There are plenty of shower and laundry facilities on site and there's heaps of hot water. Powered and unpowered sites are available, as are cabins for something a little bit more comfortable. All in all, this is a great little spot to get away to. Not really a traditional camping holiday, but it's a place that I highly recommend.